Hello YouTube, welcome to my Stylus Shift Xbox controller unboxing. Just so you all know, everything's the same in this controller that have been in my past controllers, except for the controller itself, which is nice colour, purple blue. It shifts between a purple and a blue colour. The buttons are purple. Give me 2 seconds, everyone. The buttons are purple. And then the back here is black. The purple grips, purple colored grips. That is the Xbox Stylus Shift controller. Okay, everyone, I'll see you all in my next video, which will be Inching Like a Dragon.